I'm sorry, my audience. Do you know why I'm laughing? One of my colleagues at work today, a Nigerian, he was lamenting and shedding tears that DRC of Congo knocked the Super Eagles of Nigeria out of, deprived them of going to World Cup. And the guy was shedding tears, lamenting, and I was like, what a pity. I pitied him. I'm not laughing at them. I'm not laughing at Nigeria anyway. The truth must be said. You know, there is one lady from the north, Fulani, not a Hausa person, one Aisha. She asked a question that what is the importance of Igbos to Nigeria? What can the Igbos offer, and what have they offered to Nigeria? You know, then it happened yesterday that Nigeria was knocked out of going to World Cup. You know, this is the first time FIFA, approved 10 countries from Africa to join the rest of the world for the World Cup. And guess what? Nigeria is not going to World Cup. Out of 10 countries from Africa, Nigeria is not going. Is it not laughable? My friend, I have to laugh. Let me tell you, my laugh is not a real laugh. I'm happy. I'm happy. Do you know why I'm happy? Nigeria is paying for its atrocity. Nigeria is bleeding. Let me tell you, Nigerian hands are full of blood. Do you get the point? And nothing good is coming to Nigeria. It is not a cause, it's a reality. You can see it. Please, when last did Nigeria come home with a trophy? When last did Nigeria, any sport from Nigeria, come home with trophy and made Nigeria very proud? If not, mago, patching until they come home with something. And I want to tell you people, anything an Igbo man is not involved in Nigeria, it will never go good. That's just the reality. You can check the former football players, the likes of Christian Chukwu, the likes of Mike Okala, the likes of, let's come a little bit forward, the likes of Uche Okechukwu, Uche Okafor, Uche Nwanu, Benny Roham, Amunike, Finidi, Amokachi. Okay, let me put Olise. Do you get what I'm saying? Osine Guavo, the likes of Kanu Wanko. When last did you see Nigeria have this crop of players from Igbo enclaves? When last? That's why I'm laughing. Let me tell you. The truth still remains that until Nigerians start to do things by merit, you know, Igbo people like competition. They like where you can go, you prove yourself, show who you are, show working. That's what Igbos remain for. That is what they are known for, show working. You know, if Nigeria is serious in anything they are doing, both their political sphere or whatever, sports, anything about them in life, if they are serious, if Igbo man is not there, forget it, it's never going to work. You understand? How can you bring an Alamajari man who read Islamic, not even that is good, that is his language. He read it at school. It's like me studying Igbo. You know, I'm an Igbo man, very proud one. You know, like studying Igbo, and then you give me minister for education or minister for sports. I'm not going to do well in that area. Why don't Nigeria let people who play football, let people who are into swimming, badminton, tennis, long tennis, sprinting, athletics, why can't they be allowed to run sports in Nigeria? Not going to the bush to bring one Alamajari like the Aisha of a lady was talking. You bring somebody from the north who knows virtually nothing, only quota system. Everything they are doing politics. And their politics is not a smart politics, not objective one. They are not coming to serve you and I. They are coming to steal, to rob you. That's the essence of northern politics, nothing more than that. None of them is serious in anything they do. They like corruption. They like anything wuru. You know what I mean? So when you check, an Islamic, somebody who read Islamic, cannot come and become a minister for sport. You leave people like Okocha, you leave people like Kanu Wanko, you leave people like Omokachi, you leave people like Finidi, you leave people like Olise, and you carry it and give one useless man, call himself Alhaji, and he will come. That is what you get. The management is not there. You cannot have an academy where you groom children from 6 years. At least before they get to 15 years, they would have known a lot of things. You don't have good pitches where they can play good football like others, like their counterpart from the Europe or from America. Nothing is good. You don't have a better swimming places. You don't groom them from scratch. You just come, wake up early in the morning, and when they are 20, they will forge that they are 14. They go there, they mess up. This is what Nigeria stands for, and that is why we are crying. I think you really need to see my face. This is my face. Do you get what I'm saying? Nigeria is not serious in anything, and that is why individually they can do well. And if you check those that are doing well, they are Igbos and Yorubas. Yes, other tribes in patches. Those are the people making Nigeria proud in music, in sports, in any other thing you can think of, in businesses. Not getting your money through when they give you an allocation to go and open borehole, pipe bomb water for your people in your constituency, you will steal the money. Not when they give you to create a road network that will help you and your people from your constituency, you will die the money. That is what the northern politicians are doing. This video is not for northerners, but it's for the whole Nigeria to see that their hands are tied. Before Nigeria will bring a trophy home, they need to sanitize and make sure they do things by merit, not by quota system. That is the essence of this video. That is just it. I don't have any other thing to say. I'm happy that Nigeria is not going for World Cup, and it's going to take them another 4 years. The only person you have in the team is the Yoruba boy and Osimhen. And are they going to win anything with those two guys? No, the answer is no. Nigeria must start cleansing their ground, cleansing their land, and stop soiling their hands with blood. That is what is paying back. That shows that nothing good will come for Nigeria. Nigeria is doomed to be destroyed. If you are not still seeing it in spirit, I don't think you have eyes. I'm out of here. I stop here because I see that you people have understood what I'm saying. No good things comes for Nigeria because people leading you are not honest. They are not discharging their duties with honesty. You know, they have skeletons in their cupboard and they do it with crooks and tricks. Anything you do with being a crook person or cunning, you are being cunning, will never work. With time, it will not work. And that is what is happening in Nigeria. You don't do football quota system. You do it by merit. If you can play better than me, take my position. If you are better than me as a central bank governor, be the central bank governor. If you are better than me to lead as a president, be there. Nigeria is today 65 years, and the North and Yorubas have been ruling. Can they not see that they can't handle those positions? Instead of letting Nigeria sink more, they should give it to the capable hands. And guess what? You know the capable people. If you don't know, that is a test and a homework for you. I stop here. This is all I've got to say. I'm happy that Nigeria is not going for World Cup because they will even go out the second matches they will play in World Cup. It's better they stay back and learn their lesson and go home and fix themselves. That's all I've got. I'm out of here.